Trade intuition, flipping coins like magicians. Crypto candy sweet, pockets in demolition. Jono got the scoop, slicker than a Walson troop. Lenny kid with the tricks, make it quick flip from crib. Save Pete on alert, money moves like a flirt. Peter Vander Winkle, stacking chips never twinkle. Grant grinding gears, blockchain pioneer. Brackish adventures, exploring treasure no measure. Crypto dreams in the night, shining neon lights. Riding digital waves, reaching brand new heights. Invest with the clan, together we unite till the moon reports. Making fortunes in sight, TOP boss. And crypto whispers in the mist, David Brumbelow maps the future with the twist. Hug 63-1, diamond hands never missed. Wallets grow fat, fortune's tender kiss. Trading sessions intense, Lenny Kid's reflective lens. Buffett Lane tips, riding high till trends end. Trade intuition sings, crypto candy wings. Grants tech insights, make the blockchain ring. Code in the vein, transactions reign. Peter Vander Winkle's ease, his methods insane. Jono strategy, pure market detoxes. Brackish adventures, exploring treasure no measure. Crypto dreams in the night, shining neon lights, riding digital waves, reaching brand new heights. Invest with the clan, together we unite till the moon reports. Make your fortunes in sight, TOP boss. Crypto dreams in the night, shining neon lights, riding digital waves, reaching brand new heights. Invest with the clan, together we unite till the moon reports. Make your fortunes in sight. Encrypted whispers in the mist. David Brumbelow maps the future with the twist. Hug 63-1, diamond hands never missed. Wallets grow fat, fortune's tender kiss. Trading sessions intense, Lenny Kid's reflective lens. Buffett Lane tips, riding high till trends end. Trade intuition sings, crypto candy wings. Grants tech insights, make the blockchain ring. Code in the vein, transactions reign. Peter Vander Winkle's ease, his methods insane. Jono strategy, pure market detoxes. Brackish adventures, exploring treasure no measure.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm in the charts all day. My goal is to make you money. I provide the information required to know exactly when to enter. I don't give this blanket statement, buy the breakout, buy the retest. Join me every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to understand the who, what, where, when, and especially the why when it comes to trading. This is why the coin's dumping. Every 7 days, it's releasing tokens. All right, mic check is looking good. 3, 2, 1, bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, and welcome back to Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated, boring pattern memorization or joining memberships. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Stay here every day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ask questions. I'll help you out. Matter of fact, we have a question from Batman So Official. Batman is having issues upon issues upon issues. Batman, you need help, man. You really do. And I'm here for you, man. I'm here for you. Now, you say that you cannot message me because it's banned or something like that. I only ban scammers. And I've only banned a few people, period. So I have no idea why, and if we've talked for years, I have no idea why you're unable to reach out to me. It's like, if there is any problem that could happen, you find it, literally. What's that movie where the dude goes into an office and they break a chair leg and he can choose from like 20 chairs and he chooses that one that has the broken leg? Right now, Batman, that's you. What's the name of that movie? Trivia. So You say you can't reach out to me. All right. So I need your, okay, so right now I'm actually going to copy exactly what you posted, and I am going to my Telegram right now to see if that is your unique, and it is. How come you can't message me? Right now I just sent you a thing. Just sent you a thing. Let me know if you got it. I have no idea why you weren't able to send me anything. I don't have you blocked. I'm pretty sure we're sending it to the wrong person. Be like, Joe, come on, trade intuition. And they're like, hey man, who are you? What are you talking about? So, oh, I just sent it right now. I forgot to hit the enter. All right, moving on. So hopefully me and you can connect and get you squared away. I see you typing. All right, good stuff. All right, so with that being said, I closed, or I put it down, that way I can look at my chat. All right guys, like I said, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you out regardless of what it is. I'm here to help you, whether it's issues with Telegram, whether it's issues with trading view, trading, anything. If I know it, for example, you have issues with your video recording program, software, whatever, it's like, hey, well, you might want to try this one. This is pretty cool, you know. All right, moving on. So here we go. This is the daily bubbles. This is on the hourly time frame. We have some that are up, most so, which is surprising because Bitcoin has been doing some numbers. Bitcoin has been doing some numbers, and because of that, a lot of our coins are doing really well. Now, I did mention to the group, I think at the time we had 4, maybe 5 trades open, and this is like for the forever. Like this, what we trade until we close it, and we're not like other groups where we'll post 15, 20 charts in one day. These were all of our trades. And then I mentioned that we do have one short that is, my hair is blowing around. One short that's looking very dangerous to where we could possibly get stopped out. Sure enough, we did. And I saw it this morning too. It was like, man, we're gonna get stopped out. Bitcoin's moving, it's coming up. It had started retracing. It's like, no, it's gonna get hit. Sure enough, it did. But our stop losses are really tight, so it's fine. We have 2 posted for today, 2 trades that are posted for today, and I think they're gonna do all right. They're gonna do all right. So we'll see. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. All we have is probabilities and, of course, experience. All right. So again, not too crazy today. Let's go to the daily. Now the daily is a different story. LDO 15%, core 13.3%. We got some nice ones. All right. So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? All right. So let's see here. Let's go to the daily time frame, and always zoom out. Here we go. Let's see here. Yeah, no problem, Crypto Candy. And it's so funny too, because there's sometimes where people will come to me with issues other than trading. I said, man, it's not all about just the trading. Like, just want to talk, I'm here. You just want me to listen, not give advice, I'm here. All right, moving on. So in the daily time frame, we are, ooh, look at this. We're about to create a higher high. Is this moon mission? Is Bitcoin about to do a moon mission? This is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for higher highs to be created. So right now, let's just kind of look at what's going on. Let's look at, we have a high, higher, a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. This is the macro. This is the bigger picture. Now, what happens if we create a higher high? Now we can see a trend in changing. Lower high, lower high, low, higher low, possible higher low, Is this the start of what we've been waiting for forever? Feels like, but for about 2 years. Is this the start, guys? Is October 14th, I think today is the Canadian Thanksgiving, October 14th, 2024, is this the day that changes everything? Man, can you imagine? Can you imagine being in successful trades the majority of the time? Can you imagine having chart setups that are playing out 90% of the time? Can you imagine just every $1,000 that you invest has the opportunity, possibility, the chance of doing, let's say you put $1,000, 10,000. Man, wee, 10,000. Let's just say you have 10,000 total. You have 1,000, and we're really good for a good 10 months. That's $10,000 you put into it. Minimum $100,000. Now, of course, that's if you get in the right coins, you stay in them long enough. You know, you don't just sell them at 30-40%. You ride them, and then you add to them. So, man, I can't wait. I can't wait. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be steak dinner for breakfast. Yeah, it's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be good. Right now, we're right here. We're right here, right at this level. So what is this level? Let's go ahead and look at this from the magnet, and then, oh, let's make that. So 66.5 on Bitstamp has it as the high. Currently, right now, we're at 65.983. Are we about to witness history? Is this the beginning? Man, who is tired of waiting? Who is tired? I am. I'm tired of waiting. Who is tired of waiting for the market to really just ramp up? Kind of like how we had it in March of this year. Man, it seems like so long ago, where everything was just, man, you stay in it long enough, or you happen to get lucky, because that's all it is. It's luck, guys. It really is. Like, if you're joining groups to get these, you know, huge gainers that they show on a regular basis, it's because they post so many charts. It's highly unlikely to get into all of those gainers. You might get lucky and get one because they're posting so many. But and we posted some, and for us, because we post so few, like the ones that you get in and they happen to do a really nice significant gains, like everybody's enjoying it because, well, everybody's in that coin. All right, yes, a bull run, please. Let's go. All right, guys, so who's in here? Who is in here? Definitely smash the likes if you can. That would be great. That would be Tony the Tiger if you can smash the like. Of course, let me know if you're here. We do have Crypto Candy in the house. We're going to get to Bitcoin in just a moment, go further in detail on that. Clay the Great. Now, if you have a token, man, this is the best part I love about doing this. Yes, I show you how to make money. Yes, I show you how to do charts and everything else, and fundamental analysis and technical analysis and tokenomics, and I show you all that stuff. The part that I love, it's when you share a coin and we look at it, it's like, whoa, man, this one, it's at the bottom, it's doing X, Y, and Z. Let's all get in. That's what I love. We got Clay the Great in the house. A Batman so official. We are now reunited on Telegram, and it feels so good. Now I can help him using Telegram. How were we blocked? I have no idea. Let's see here, because again, I only blocked spammers, and if I would have blocked you, I delete the chat, so I didn't block you. No idea what issues arise. All right, let's see here. We got Grant in the house. What's up, Grant? Appreciate you, man, being here. Of course, we got Ian. Thank you, man. Thank you guys for being here. We got Sam in the house. Sam, what's going on, Sam? Or Sam. Let's see here. I love and hate the waiting game. Yes, the waiting game gives you opportunities to buy more at a lower price, and it's good to, you know, get time to buy But then it's like, man, come on already. Like I'm tired of buying and these coins not going up. You know, they might go up a little bit, but then they go down. And then if Bitcoin gets hit, well, then they go down a lot. And if Bitcoin gets hit again, they go down even more. It's like, oh man. Here, Sam says, I'm kind of here, still working. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you being here. All right, this right here has got me really excited. This has me really excited. We may be witnessing history to where we create a higher high based off of this and changing the trend. And also this will be the higher low. So very excited right now. This is on the daily time frame. Let us look at the 4-hour time frame. What do we see on the 4-hour? Do we see any kind of a bullishness? All right, so let's look at this. Let's get rid of this. So this at this time, oh, wait a minute. I don't know, this, I'm 4-hour time frame. Oh, maybe this is a daily, okay. So let's go ahead and hide this. I think the structure is from the daily. So we'll hide this and we'll hide this because that is irrelevant now because it broke this level. All right, so looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see we have this coming up right here. It's looking bullish. Joe, of course it looks bullish. I mean, it's going up. Yes, but it's breaking levels on the way up, and the levels that it's breaking, the candles, they are candle body closes. That's the important part on noticing if the structure or current price action is either bullish or may reverse. And it's just because of the wick. It's known as a swing failure pattern, SFP, and all it is a fancy word for a wick. You have a wick on top that's selling pressure, so that means you have a higher chance of it coming down. Let's see here. Mr. G says, I'm ready. I am ready for the bull run. Let's go. Let us go. Yeah. And so close, guys. Every day we get closer. Every day we get closer. And it's gonna be so great. Man, it's gonna be so good. All right. So right now we are underneath resistance at 66.5. The question is, since we had this really nice run up, will we break through this and gain support? Will we break through this and then lose support? Or will we get rejected from this? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Do we have increased volume? So let us look at our volume. So this is our volume. We do have increasing volume coming up. These color markers, this is from the market makers inducing the price, pumping the price, putting more orders in, whether it's up or down. So this, when this happens, there's more activity. More activity. When this happens, there's more activity, but the activity is slowing compared to a green or red. So the purple or fuchsia and the blue, those represent activity, more activity than regular activity, but less activity as the green and red. But it's still activity. So right now, and this is saying because there's not as much activity that the price may reverse. That's what I'm saying. Now, does it have to reverse? No, it can continue doing what it wants. So just kind of give you heads up on that. Let's see here. Let's go and let's look at this. So we had the market makers push up the price here and here. Retail started coming in and pushing up the price. And then the market maker says, let me help you out some more. So they're pushing up the price. They want, man, they probably want to break this level because they know what we know. We don't know what they know. They know what they're going to do, when they're going to do it. We don't. We react to what they do. What they're probably doing is pumping the price so everybody gets FOMO, and then people start buying Bitcoin again because, well, people love to buy when the price is high. And then, of course, they dump it. They take back all this liquidity that they have just created. All this area of liquidity, all of this area of liquidity. And then, of course, you have more down here. Now, do they have to come back and get all of this? No. But this is where all their money's sitting. This is literally money. This part right here took out this part. So all this is gone. All this liquidity is gone. All this liquidity is gone. All this liquidity is gone. So they may have more money available up top, all this liquidity up here and so on and so forth. And they may come for that and then come down, get this, and then come back up. So we just got to react. We just got to react to what they're doing. Any coins, guys? Any coins? If not, this is going to be a fast show. Once again, I reserve an hour to go over Bitcoin, of course, go over questions, go over thought process, go over your coins. And the only thing I have scripted is the Bitcoin part. Well, it's not really scripted. It's first 15 minutes of the show. Sometimes we go longer because I can do more training. But if not, then that's the end of the show. So let's go ahead and put the timer. Let's put the timer up, not for 1 minute. Let's do 5 minutes for those that type slow. You can ask a question, post a chart. And then if we don't get anything within those 5 minutes, well, then that's the end of the show. Because once again, I love looking at your charts. I really do. You know what's funny? There's a lot of people that they don't give information. Like, say I knew a secret that was really helping me out in trading. And so this is an actual story. You know, one of my buddies, talked to him, and this was some time ago though. And he's like, yeah, Joe, you know, this is what I'm doing, and you know, I'm trading like this. Like, dude, like that's pretty awesome. He goes, yeah, but just don't tell anybody. What do you mean don't tell anybody? You have a group. You're not telling your people your method? He's like, no, like I teach them other stuff, but I didn't teach them this part. Like, I'm only showing you. I was like, he goes, but don't show anybody, don't tell anybody. It's like, okay. I was like, why would you not want to tell anybody? For me, all of my thought process, all of my, you know, wins and losses, all of my experience, I share it, whether it's good or bad or ugly or whatever. If it's something new that I'm learning, I share it. Like, why would you keep it to yourself? I don't understand that concept. And the thing is, he has a group. Like, your people don't know. He's like, oh, all right. All right, got 3 minutes, guys. We got 3. Let's go ahead and kick it down to 1 minute. We got 1 minute, guys. We got 1 minute. If you're typing and you're a slow typer, then hit enter and then ... so I know that there's something there. But if not, then that is the end. That is the end. All right. So while y'all are doing that, Batman So Official, save the day. Batman So Official, save the day. And take off the timer. All right. Let's do SKL. We're going to do SKL. Let's see here. SKL USDT. Where's that typing? Where did it type it at? SKL USDT. See here, 15 minutes. Okay, so let us look at MXC. SKL. I should have seen if it's a SKL USDT.P. Do like it the future. Do like it the future. Sorry. So looking at this on the weekly, looks like it's doing a nice bottoming area. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, I don't know what the market cap is, but we kind of figured out as the lower time frame we go, we can kind of see the candles. The daily, okay, looks pretty good. Let's see here. Yeah, no problem, man. So we had low, higher low. Yeah, I don't see anything bad with it. Again, I don't know the market cap. 4 hour time frame, the market cap does make a huge difference. Speaking about market cap, I'm going to check it right now, because that affects my whole thought process, especially if I don't know what it is. So pulling this up, SKL. Okay. So The market cap on this is tiny. It's come on, 213 million. 213 million. And this is a layer 2 gaming. What else? And there's other things in there, but layer 2 and gaming. Okay, so it's gaming. All right, let's see here. What else we got? Junk. Okay, so right now on the 4-hour time frame, it's bullish, breaking levels, and the levels that they're breaking, the candles are closing above those levels, so that is good. We do have our strong low way down here. Strong low is way down here, so let's just put strong on this. I said strong, not where I wanted it, but whatever. Those are weak, so more than likely it's going to break above it. What else do we have? I'm looking just at the market, looking at the price action, the candle bodies, how they're reacting, how they're going up, how they're coming down. Are the Caspa memes keeping the price of SOL down? Possibly. Caspa memes have been kicking butt, and they all take turns. Let's see here, 1 hour time frame. So we are having a pullback on the 1 hour time frame. What's this? And right now, okay, so this right here is a really good support level. It's on the hourly time frame. Now what I did was I just kind of hovered here, and I kind of went with my eyeballs left to right. You can kind of do a little bit better than that. I think right here. Yeah. So here we have candle body stops. I'm not sure if you can see this. But we have the candle body stops, candle bodies, and wicks, and wicks. So this right here is going to determine if, in fact, we're going to get support here. If we do, then awesome. We can enter the trade once it crosses this level. This is where our alert would be. Then we would need, since of this market cap, let's see here. Looking at the candles, they don't go up too dramatically. Okay, here we did have a breakout and came right back in. So I do a 1 hour. So I'll do a 1 hour, even though we're looking at the 4 hour time frame. For this one, for this to be a trade, SKL, set your alert at 0.04038. Your 1 hour candle must close above 0.03850. 1 hour candle must close. If the candle closes underneath it, it's not ready, because more than likely it's going to come all the way down to possibly the 4 hour strong low at 0.03229 or 239. So this is my thought process on this coin. Now, in reference to a target, well, and for your stop loss, I would have the stop loss kind of tight depending on where you enter. But for the stop loss, it would be at 0.03717 for the stop loss. And this would be my stop loss right there. Just red. Yeah, can we get a couple more likes, family? Yeah, definitely. For everybody who's here, please definitely smash the like. I give you all this information for free. I don't push my group. Do I have a paid group? Yes, of course I do, but I don't push it. I don't say, oh, I can't give you that information or that chart setup unless you give me money. I like doing this, guys. I like making you money. For is your first target could be right here. This will be your target. What is the risk to reward ratio? That is a good question. It's a very good question. There we go. A bingo and a bango. A bingo and a bango. And this is just the first target. I mean, you can have more targets. Let's say we entered right here. This is about 5.5%. So we can just call it 6%. Then we have this at roughly 16 point whatever percent. We'll just call it 16. So not too bad. Just over a 3-to-1 ratio as far as risk to reward. So this is a nice setup. Now, this could happen fairly quick. Possible, like anything's possible, because of the market cap of being 213 million. This is why it's very important to understand market caps, because this one, now in addition to that, volume is very important, and this it has crazy volume. This just went on my radar. I didn't know the volume was so nice. Let's do something. So right now, this is okay. So this isn't too bad. You know, if this was all red line, I'd be like, nope, I don't like it anymore, just because it did nothing. Now, of course, back in 2021, this is when the bull market was here. Everything was going great. It was going Tony the Tiger. Then we had two pumps. We had one pump in December of 2023, and then also a pump in around March 2024. So here, December 2023 is when they started its pump, which is good. That's what the market was doing. Now, granted, I would have liked to see this pump more due to the market cap. Remember, you can move the market cap a lot when it's really low. Then we had another pump back in the same time frame, March, April. So when the market is pumping, this coin is moving. So that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Of course, they've been around for 4 years. Let's go to the markets. They're available on Binance. They're available on several exchanges. So this is also good. And what are they? Let's come up. Oh yeah, I said that already. So gaming layer 2. Well, I want to go to their website. This got me intrigued because of, oh yeah. So the reason I came over here was because of the volume. So the volume in the last 24 hours, we had almost 6 million for HTX, almost 4 million Binance. Then of course you come down here, Blowfin 1.5 million, Coinbase 1.3 million. So there is this coin is a, thank you, man. This coin is a good, I'm gonna keep my eye on this one. Let's see here. SKALE is a gas-free, invisible blockchain built different for mass adoption. They're all different. I've noticed that. Okay. Transactions, validator nodes, 0 gas fees forever. Sign me up. SKALE is a limitless, scalable, fast, on-demand blockchain network with 0 gas fees, allowing quick deployment of interoperable, EVM-compatible chains without compromising security or decentralization. SKALE is a future decentralized, open-source, community-owned network. Okay. More important words, important topics. I'm guessing who choose SKALE for gaming? 0 gas fees, game-changing speed, built-in game development tools. Okay, that's got my attention. Let's see here. Obi-Wan says, hey, chat. Hi, Joe. Hey, what's going on, man? Obi, appreciate you, man, for being here. Greatly appreciate you. We have some games. Okay, so I like it. So here, I'd wait for the 1 hour count to close. This will be our first target. Let's see here. Man, if I didn't look at that volume, I would have already moved on. That volume said, hey, this coin can do something. This coin can do something. So the next target, I don't know where it's at, but the next target, we can get, I'd say 34%. This right here. So this trade is courtesy of Batman, so official. This trade is courtesy of Batman, so official. He hooked us up with a very, very nice trade. Very nice trade. But once again, you have to wait. So you have to be patient when it comes to this. Have to be patient. Wait for the 1 hour time frame to close. That way we can enter this trade. I want to show the charts. Okay, and let's see here. Do this. Nail it. Nope. 61. Let's go down here. 9. Okay. So there we go. This is our setup. And now all we do is we set our alert. So I'm going to put add an alert. I'm actually going to do this alert. YouTube put for VIP. So this will be a VIP chart. But I don't post. So here's the thing. What I do in the VIP group, there are times where I'll post in the regular chat, hey guys, this is what I'm looking at. Set your alerts. I have my alerts, etc., etc. And that way they're aware of the chart. So if they want to join it early or set their own alert, they can do that. Then once the alert goes off, I wait a certain amount of time depending on how the price action is going. If I need to wait 4 hours, 12 hours, to a day or two before I get in my next alert to say, okay, now it's ready. Then of course, once I post it, then we enter the trade. Here's one. This one we posted, I think it was yesterday. So whenever I'm posting these, now granted, some of them take off really quick, some take a while. But hey, Batman So Official gave a super chat. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. So for this one, we entered this one yesterday. I believe it was yesterday. And first target, boom. Like here's where we entered. This is literally, we may have entered here. But this was yesterday. Literally. We entered here. Price came down, came up. And I even say like to scale in 50%. Now don't go all in because we could get stopped out. And we have before, you know, the market changes. And 50%. And of course I update you in the group. Hey, I'm not sure if you haven't already, but if you haven't scaled in, now it might be a good time. Then here's another 50%. And then to the moon. To the moon. And of course this is leverage too. So you can trade this either spot trade. So you made a 15%er, a 20%er, and then I also posted in the group, posted to close trade. Posted it right here. I saw it coming up. I'm looking at these charts all day. So now do I miss some? Yes, of course, but like I'm literally looking at these charts. So I saw it come up and I starting to come down. I said, close it. Consider this trade done. You know, are you gonna wait that extra 1% no, sell it. Take that profit. And sure enough, we hit. Now, of course, I believe this was a 2x leverage trade, but if you're not comfortable with leverage, trade it regular. So you got 30%, 40%, and 50%, almost 50%. That's a pretty good trade. And this one was done yesterday. Some of them we're in, and they're not moving like this one. But this is the benefit. Once again, you know, I don't post 15, 20 charts. I post, like today, I just posted 2. Yesterday, I think I posted 2. Day before that, I think I posted 3. But this gives you the opportunity to get into one of these trades. And if you do, great. If you don't, because you're already in, let's say 2 trades, 3 trades from the week, keep those trades. But that's one thing that I love about the group. All the other groups I've ever been in, man, they just post and post and post. And it's like, and then you get into, and then those they're not successful. The ones you didn't get into, which was so many, well, they're successful. And of course, the group is bragging about the successful ones. All right, moving on. Let's see here. What were we doing? We're doing this. All right, let's see. So we checked that one. Oh, and you said 15 minutes too. What's on the 15 minutes? 15 minutes. So we had a pull up. We got a possible retracement. Yeah, we just need to wait for this to close. See here. APT. This is another one that we're looking at. So we're actually in this trade. We are in this trade. APT USDT .P. We're actually in this trade. Mexi. Let's look at the daily time frame. So the VIP members are in this trade and it's looking great. Look at this nice bow. Look at this area that it broke out of with the candle body close. This is speaking as if it wants to do a moon mission. Do a moon mission. So let's go ahead and do our magnet tool. Let's come over here. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Handle body closes, handle wick, touched it beautifully. Now, let's see what we got. This is another great setup. So Batman So Official just hit you with 2 amazing setups, and one of them is a trade that we're already in. I forget when we entered this one, maybe yesterday, maybe on the break of this, I forget, maybe 2 days ago, I don't even know, but I just know we're in this trade. All right, moving on. Let's go to the well, let's do this. Let's do this right here, because these are going to be our levels. These are going to be our levels that we're going to be looking at, and then of course we can delete them in just a moment. So this is a level, and this is our level. All right. Yes, we got bingos and bangos. Bingos and bangos. Put bingos and bangos in the chart, please, or the chat. Bingos and bangos. I want to see some bingos and bangos, because we're going to hit you with another setup. Now, this is one of the VIP setups. Now, of course, I'm not going to give you the exact setup, but we will be looking at this. All right. So going to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price did come up, came down, beautifully retested 9.662, coming up, and it's actually creating this little zone. So once it breaks out of this zone, you can enter the trade, or you can enter now because it's so close. Just have a tight stop loss, just in case, because there's a lot of liquidity down here that the market makers may get. What is the price range tool say on this? Perfect. Perfecto mundo. So we're going to do our level right here. And that's it. Okay. So look at the 4-hour time frame. I do like what I see. What do the indicators say? The indicators say, Joe, you're a genius. The indicators couldn't say that if I paid them. All right. So for this one, I do think that the price, what would be our stop loss? Stop loss. Okay, we can do that. So we can do a stop loss of 6%. Again, guys, none of this information that I'm providing is financial advice. Never take financial advice from a guy on the internet. I'm just a guy who knows how to trade and happens to be on the internet. So just to let you know, don't ever take financial advice from a guy on the internet. No, don't do it. So this would be our stop loss. And I'm gonna give you 2 targets, guys. I'm gonna give you 2 targets. Your stop loss is roughly around 6%. Your first target is a 2-to-1 ratio. And this is sitting right at 12%. I do like this one. This one, Batman So Official just hooked you up, guys. This is a very good chart right here. And once again, this is one of our VIP charts. And you have access to it right now. Max gains is 38%. Now, if you want, you can put another one down here, kind of right in the middle, if you wanted to. I would recommend it because you never know, price may come down. But these are the 2 levels that I'll be giving you. So we have our target. Am I gonna get it? Bingo bango. Bingo and a bango. 757. 757. Bingo and a bango. Can I get the last one? Can I do 3 in a row? 935. 935. Oh, I had it. Ooh-wee. I'm on a roll. I am on a roll. All right, so this is your setup, guys. This is your setup. This is APT. This is actually a VIP chart in the VIP group that we have. We have entry now. Again, not financial advice. I would recommend just knowing that the price may come down to here before it breaks up. So your first entry, let's go ahead and space this out just a little bit. Well, let's put this right here so we know where it's at. So your first entry, I would recommend, would be right now, and we would do 50% at the current price, knowing that it might come down and then come up. Now, because this is creating a pivot, this is actually what I teach all the time. we had the breakout, or the breakout, which is right here. Price comes up, price came up, price came down, price came down, price goes up again, price goes up again, price comes down, price coming down. Now, when do we add to our entry? When we break this high. This most recent high is resistance. This is also known as, you can call it change of character, break of structure, whatever you want to call it. I call it time to make this money. This right here is the break. This is when you add to your entry. So this is what I'm actually demonstrating. If you ever see any of my charts that are, you know, already done for the group VIP, and then you happen to see like, what are all those circles on there for? That's what it is. And what we're doing is we're entering right here. Now, why do I give all the secrets out? Why don't I just hold this for the VIP? Why do I show you all the tips and tricks? My goal is to make you money. Number one, make you money. And then when you make money, well, now you join the group. Versus what everybody else does. Oh, join my group. I'll show you. You know, I'll show you my stuff works. And then you get in there and you realize they're posting 15, 20 charts a day. Anyway, here's your setup, guys. This is a beauty. This is an absolute beauty. All right, so let's see here. We're almost out of time. We got about 5 more minutes. Going down the chat. Let's see here. Obi-Wan says, is this for spot or leverage? This is for both. This is for both. So this setup right here, you can use it for regular spot trades. And then if you want to put leverage on it, well, then do a very low leverage, 2x leverage, you know, something you're okay with losing if your stop loss gets hit, because your stop loss might get hit. There's never any kind of definite as far as, you know, price action. You can have the perfect chart, perfect volume, perfect indicators, perfect divergence, perfect pattern, perfect everything. Price can still change. So just kind of to know, yes, you can use this. And that's one thing too, like for the group, like whenever I'm posting the charts, recently I've been saying, you know, this could be a regular spot trade or a leverage trade, 2x. So give you a heads up. All right, let's see here. I want to enter both. Yeah, definitely. When you can enter it and just, you know, be cool if it goes, or rather when it goes up and down. And then the other one, have a leverage trade, put some leverage behind it, less money because now you're using leverage, and then see if you can make some good money off of that. Let's see here, going down the list. Here, it broke resistance from the past month on the 23rd. Nice, 23rd. Here, smash those like, guys. Yes, definitely smash the likes. I would greatly appreciate that. And then thank you, man. Thank you for this. Greatly appreciate it. We got a super chat. From Batman So Official. Thank you. Here, smash the likes. Bingos and bangles in the chat. All right, very good. All right, guys. So once again, we do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I show you my tips and I show you the tricks and I show you all this without, you know, telling you you have to join the VIP group in order for you to get this type of information. Because what everybody else does, what they do is they just show you a chart and then like they say how much of a genius they are, and then join my group. It's like when you're new, you're like, oh wow, great, man, you know it all. And then you join the group and then you're like, oh wow. Here I show you my thought process, show you my steps. All right, moving on. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for Batman So Official for saving the day, and not only with 2 amazing charts, but for not having the stream close early. So thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. And then I'll be looking forward to talking to you and seeing if I can help you out with your issues you seem to be having on your exchanges. Oh my gosh. All right.